Okay, so I really didn't like the grappling system last time, so I spent another day trying to figure out a different system. And this is what I got so far. So before, grabbing objects really didn't work, but now you can pretty easily. So if you right click, I could drag objects like this. Both hands work. Oh yeah, there's a weird thing where the active ragdoll will just disable, but that's a problem with my character blueprint, not with the system. You can grab it with both hands. But I feel like this one works a lot better for actually grabbing things, as before whenever I grab stuff. Here, if I grab stuff, it doesn't take into account... Dude. When I try to grab stuff here, it doesn't take into account its mass, and it goes crazy like that. Like, this one's very glitchy versus this system, which just works perfectly. And all I need to do is make a hand raising animation to lift things up and all that. So I also tried implementing the wall system where it could grab onto walls, but that's very glitchy. If I just try doing one, it works a bit better. But the way I tried implementing this is I check if it's overlapping with my sphere, my collision sphere on my hands right here. And then I check if the button is pressed right here. I cast the character blueprint, and if it fails, that means it's not the actual character that's overlapping with it. I use a set constrained components node right here, which I also have two constrained components on my hands, and then make the bone name whatever bone it is. I check if it's simulating physics, and if it's not, this is how I do grabbing static walls instead of grabbing a physics object. I get the location, and I'll launch the player closer to where the hand is. And after they let go, I use a break constraint right here. Now the problem with the launch is that while it technically does work, it's very buggy. Like, you're still able to escape the launch, and then even if you don't escape the launch, it doesn't work that well. So I need to figure out a way so that I can't just keep on stretching my arm for infinity, because that would be disastrous. See, like, I just don't know how to do that though, because here, if I disable this, then I'm just able to walk away for infinity because there's nothing holding me there. So I have no idea how I would get it so that I can only go where my arm could reach. Anyways, that's not the important part. The important part is that this works. And for the first couple of mini games, I don't really think I need to have climbable walls. By just implementing a punching system, and then a system where you could grab and throw other players, that'll be pretty fun. So until I figure out how to get the walls working, like, I think I'm good. Also, I'll need to fix the part where it randomly disables. But that's it for today, and thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you next time.